Top of the morning to ya, and begosh and begorra. Oi, was just wondering, what do you think of Ireland? Oh, you're hitting me with two in one. Oh, man. What do I think of Italy? What do I think of Ireland? Ireland. Whiskey. Whiskey, obviously. Conor McGregor. Right?
Conor.
Jack gives me a big nod for that one. Jack always claims to be Irish, but he's really not, though.
I thought you were Irish.
He's just like barely. He's barely. No, he's barely Irish, but he's always very proud of it. Speaking of Conor McGregor, maybe a fight with Justin Gaethje? I don't know. Could that happen? No, maybe not. Ireland, real hardy bunch, real earth. What do they call that? Salt of the earth. I don't even really know what that means. I guess it just means like hard living. History. Toronto, the area that we're in, heavy Irish influence. I remember reading about the area of downtown Toronto, Cabbagetown, originally mostly populated by Irish immigrants. Irish people built a lot of what's around here, not just in Toronto, but in of course, the East Coast, the east part of North America, populated by plenty of Irish immigrants who built this place up, kind of like the Italians from the previous one. I've never been to Ireland. I've been to England a few times. I know Irish people probably don't care that I've been to England. That doesn't mean anything to them. I mean, I feel like it's closer. Got to give me something for that. Potatoes, shepherd's pie, haggis. That's Scottish. That's offensive, the fact that I said that. You know what? I haven't had a lot of exposure really to Irish people. I don't like properly Irish. Have you, Jack?
Sinead O'Connor.
Oh, okay. I haven't had exposure to her. I don't think so.
Sinead O'Connor.
Look, here's the thing. It's it's kind of a small place. What's the population of Ireland? Give us a quick 6 million people, Jack. Is that right? 6.5 million people in Ireland? There's more people in Toronto, in the GTA, than in Ireland. That's crazy. The amount of influence from such a small group of people, that's pretty wild. So, anyhow, I can't, you know what? I'm, just like everywhere else, I have love. I'm giving love. I'm sending love to Ireland, to Jack's ancestors. He's 1% Irish.
We're from Cork.
Hey, man, you're yelling. He says, okay, Jack says do you want to come in here? Is that what you want to give us a word or two on Ireland? Is there anything I should add?
Well, then I'm from Cork.
Okay, Jack's from Cork, Ireland, which he was looking at his phone. He just found a place, and that's all it was. But no, what can you say about Irish people if you're actually Irish? Give us.
It's generations back. It's like 3 generations back.
You're giving us nothing. You're giving us nothing.
I don't have anything.
Food? A food item?
Well, potatoes.
Just potatoes. Okay, that's what we did too. I mean, I'm sure there's a nicer. Give us let's do something nice here. Give us an Irish dish that we can actually, Irish stew. That looks delicious. Irish breakfast. There's an Irish breakfast. I've had it. Type in Irish breakfast.
Irish people are known for their food. Like it's not.
Let me just. Yes, they have a nice breakfast, Jack, with the sausages.
Oh yeah.
The baked beans. It's a good time. Okay, an Irish breakfast. So there you go. I got to bring, that's what people are asking, Jack. I got to bring, and I love breakfast. So, full Irish breakfast. That's what we're doing, boys, tomorrow morning. All right? You see, Jack, I'm more Irish than you. I at least know about this. And Irish whiskey, obviously. Yeah. So.